Hi everybody, today I'm gonna show you how to spare fuel even when you need to use air conditioning in your car, especially on your 3L Lupo. So when you going downhill, you just tip on the brake pedal, make the engine braking and turn air conditioning fully on at the maximum power. And this way you can clearly use the kinetic energy of the car, which will be otherwise wasted in the heat in the brakes. It will be changed for energy for air conditioning. And it's good to some way automatize this feature. I will work on the automatization of this feature on Lupo 3L and Audi A2 3L to be absolutely automatic, not dependent on the buttons and on drivers drivers actions. So this is for today.